Let Me Not to the Marriage of True Minds by William Shakespeare. About the poem. Title: Let Me Not to the Marriage of True Minds, Sonnet 116. Poet: William Shakespeare. Type: Elizabethan Shakespearean sonnet. Rhyme scheme: ABAB CDCD FFGG. Theme: the constancy and purity of true love. This is the poem. The poem begins with a bold assertion: true love is perfect and cannot be altered or obstructed. Shakespeare claims he will not allow any arguments against the marriage of true minds, a metaphor for the union of souls through genuine love. The nature of true love: true love is constant, it does not change even when circumstances or people change. Love remains unchanged despite time, beauty, or aging. It is not affected by temporary emotions or physical appearance. Teen, metaphor of the star. Shakespeare uses the metaphor of the ever fixed mark like a lighthouse and the star to explain that true love guides people, much like a star guides lost ships. It is steady, reliable, and permanent, unaffected by storms or external forces. Love and time. Time can cause physical decay, wrinkles, age, but true love does not alter with time. True love endures beyond beauty, beyond youth, and even beyond death itself. It is timeless, eternal, and unshaken by external circumstances. Final couplet conclusion. Shakespeare ends by staking his reputation on this belief. He boldly claims that if his definition of love is wrong, then no man has ever truly loved, and he himself has never written. This is a rhetorical strategy to emphasize the truth and universality of his statement. Central ideas: themes. Love is eternal and unchanging. True love is spiritual, not physical. Love is unaffected by time or misfortune. The poem celebrates ideal, pure, and unwavering love. Why it's important. Sonnet 116 is one of the most famous poems on the nature of true love. It reflects Shakespeare's timeless understanding of human emotions and relationships. The sonnet is often quoted in weddings and discussions of ideal love. Let me know if you want this in paragraph form or Hindi explanation.